longest time, making professional infographics was really a technical headache, but today, we are changing the whole game. Let me show you how you can turn just one prompt into a data-driven, super eye-catching infographic in less than 60 seconds. Whether you're a marketer, student, or founder, Venge's new AI tools are going to be your new favorite design shortcut. Usually when you want to create infographics, it feels very overwhelming, takes up a lot of time, and honestly, it's just quite intimidating. This one is Venge. This tool is really going to make your life so much easier. Today, I'm going to show you Venge's AI infographic generator, a tool that can turn just one prompt into a fully designed infographic in just a few minutes. And the best part is, you don't even need any design experience to create something that actually looks professional. One thing I really like about this is that it totally removes that blank page anxiety. Instead of just staring at an empty page, not knowing where to start, you don't have to worry anymore. The AI immediately gives you a professional structure that you can build on. So whether you're a beginner who wants something easy, or a designer who wants to skip all the repetitive setup work, this gives you a really solid starting point. Venge lets you go from just one prompt to a stunning, professional design in minutes, so you can spend less time creating and more time impressing your audience. Like I mentioned earlier, this tool is made for people who aren't designers. Let's generate something live now. Now you see the prompt box right in the middle. This is where everything starts. So you can see, I've just typed something in there. Then we click generate. You can type or paste anything inside, any real data points, and within seconds you can see what happens. The AI has pulled all that content into a structured layout in real time, organized it, added visual hierarchy, and even created chart placeholders. There you go, it's building for you, and it's done. A complete infographic draft in seconds, a professional-looking infographic created from just one line of text, no design skills needed at all. So after that, we just scroll through and take a closer look. You get smart customization and built-in AI tools. So that draft is just your starting point. Everything inside the editor is fully customizable. So you can rewrite your copy, swap icons, adjust the layout, all without leaving Venge. And the AI continues to help you as you edit. There's the Smart Suggestion feature that gives you instant AI-powered design tips based exactly on what's on your canvas, like having a designer looking over your shoulder. So, beyond just this infographic tool itself, Venge gives you access to over 100 free AI design tools, icon generator, illustration tools, color palette builders, the whole toolkit. Now, inside the editor, first up is the AI rewrite. You just click on any text element in your infographic, like this one right here. So you click on that, then you can just hit refine for the AI to polish it up. The AI makes your data points more concise and impactful, and you don't even have to rewrite a single word. So you can ask it anything, or get it to elaborate on that single point if you want. And then we've got the icons. So we've opened the AI icon generator. All you need to do is just describe the icon you need, and then it generates a custom visual based on your specific content. So no need to hunt through all those generic clips anymore. You got it there already, so you just generate your specific icon. Once it's done, you can see my little laptop here, and then it brings in all those colors and fonts. After that, you can just use the drag and drop editor to apply that palette across your whole design at one go. You can just drag and drop your little laptop into the design however you like. It also gives you the option to modify it however you want, or however the AI thinks it should be changed. We'll click Replace Image, and then we've got other images down here that you can just swap in. We can go through all the different fonts. Able, Fat Face. That one works pretty well. You can just pop that in, and it's automatically saving to the cloud as you change each of the brand fonts too. Alpha Slot 1 will change it to that. Let's see how that turns out. So there you go. It saves automatically. Now, we'll move on to something else in a bit. We mentioned earlier, you have all the brand colors with those fonts, and you can just drag and drop those brand colors to apply them. In the editor, just pull them from the palette, drag them across the whole design. It's like a one-click pull onto everything in your brand. Very neat. Very handy. We'll just replace that color there, pick your color, pop it in, and there you go. Very nice and easy to use. You can also go back to your original colors if you want. Makes the infographic look nice, neat, polished, and really professional. And all that is done in almost 5 minutes. Didn't take long at all. Now, there's one thing about this. You have this accessibility as a standard, right? Here's something most design tools totally ignore. And this is where Vengeance really stands out. It's accessible. Vengeance is built with WCAG compliance in mind, the gold standard for digital accessibility. There's an AI-powered accessibility checker built right into the platform that scans your infographic and flags any issue. Things like low color contrast, missing alt text, anything that could make your visual hard to use. For someone relying on a screen reader, right, this isn't just a nice to have. For anyone sharing visuals in a professional or public-facing context, accessible design is a standard, and Vengeance makes it easy. You just run the checker like you saw me do just now on the infographic, and then it'll show you the contrast issues, missing alt text, and elements that screen readers can't properly interpret. And here's the clever part. You don't need to fix any of these manually. Like I mentioned earlier, it's all AI-powered. You've got a one-click fix. Once everything's cleared, you're ready to export. You just click download, select accessible PDF, and also, this isn't just any normal PDF. It's structured and tagged so it works properly with assistive technologies and meets professional accessibility standards. It's the version you can confidently share anywhere. So, to sum it up, Vengeance takes you from a blank page to a professional, accessible infographic in just minutes. The AI, it handles the structure, the design polish, and the accessibility checks. You just bring the ideas. Stop wasting hours on manual design. Click the link in the description to try the AI infographic generator for free today. If you're ready for the full suite of pro features, use my code AIRBRIAN50 for 50% off your annual plan for Vengeance Premium or Business. Don't forget, hit the like button, click the link in the description, and remember to tap subscribe.